Romain Asturic, aka Dataflow, is passionate about the interactive musical and visual revolution we're living in. He teaches coding and creates impactful digital art projects. As a true digital artist, Romain is familiar with projection mapping and its uses. And while he's glad that it has become more open to a wider audience, he still wants to go further. For this project, at the Research Center Maker Lab in Paris, Dataflow wanted both an aesthetic approach and a playful one. HeavyM drawing tools allowed him to play with shadow effects, depths, and curves, whether in the prototyping phases or during final adjustments. A few clicks are all it takes to retouch the mapping, modify, or add shapes without having to redo all the settings. It is a flexible but powerful tool without unnecessary complexity. Romain wished to have an interactivity notion included and wanted the viewer to be fully and immediately aware of their acts and their consequences regarding the artwork. He used the popular tool, a PlayStation 5 controller connected to HeavyM through processing with the OSC communication protocol. It allows him to trigger various sets of effects and sequences. For example, he can control shape colors with the joysticks. The idea is to allow anyone to easily create beautiful color assemblies and impressive animations on the fly. Unlike a tangible object, a code is never finished. HeavyM, mapping tomorrow.